Why are there not more people talking about the magic of confidence and hard work? It's time to spill the beans. It's not about being perfect. It's about showing up, giving your best, and learning from every single mistake. Picture this. You've got a big test coming up. Instead of stressing out, dive into your books, tackle those practice problems, and stay curious. Hard work isn't just about hitting the books. It's about trying new things, asking questions, and not being afraid to fail. Confidence is your superpower. When you believe in yourself, amazing things happen. Remember that time you nailed that class presentation? You didn't just wake up with those skills. You worked on them, practiced, and boom, you rocked it. Every mistake is just a stepping stone to something greater. Think about your favorite athletes, musicians, or even YouTubers. They weren't born perfect. They put in the hours, faced challenges, and kept going even when things got tough. And guess what? You can do it too. So next time you're feeling stuck or unsure, remember this. Hard work and confidence go hand in hand. Embrace the grind, celebrate your progress, and don't be afraid to stumble. Every step you take is a step toward your dreams. You've got this, future superstar. Keep shining, keep striving, and remember, the sky's the limit. Thanks for watching, and go conquer your day.